Hey everyone, Lauren here. Today I'm going to explain how much money you can actually get back from the government through the SR&ED program with an example. Let's keep it simple and say you're a BC-based company with $100,000 in eligible SR&ED labor costs. Using the proxy method, we add 55% of the labor costs to account for overhead costs, which gives us $55,000. The total SR&ED expenditure is the sum of all eligible costs. So we have $100,000 for labor plus $55,000 for the overhead cost, which equals $155,000. Next, we account for provincial credits. In BC, this credit provides an additional refundable 10%. So 10% of $155,000 equals $15,500 in provincial tax credits. Next, to calculate the federal credit, we have to subtract the provincial credit amount from the total expenditure. So $155,000 minus $15,500 equals $139,500, which is the new SR&ED eligible expenditure. The federal SR&ED tax credit is a 35% refundable tax credit for CCPCs. So 35% of $139,500 equals $48,825. Now let's add up the refundable credits. $15,500 from the provincial credit plus $48,825 from the federal credit, which equals $64,325 in refundable tax credits given back to you as a cash refund. Remembering that this is only based on a $100,000 salary, this equals over 63% of your costs returned back to you. The bottom line is that these SR&ED credits can be extremely valuable in providing cash to reinvest in your projects, covering nearly 2/3 of your eligible expenses. Want to take advantage? Let's connect.